All right. What is an equation of the graph? Choose any point. I would say choose any point which is exactly matches what you're looking forward to expect here. Let me take this one. The point which crosses the x-axis or y-axis so that I can get the points which includes 0 at one coordinate. Let me take the let me take this one. So substitute the value of y as negative 0, my x should get negative 8. So this is one point, and another one is when my x is 0, my y should be negative 8. So we can able to choose the second point like okay. But in this case, when x is 0, all of this y value gonna be negative 8. In that case, let me go for the first point. That is, when my x is negative 8, my y should get 0. For that case, I can't able to choose anything else but the option C. That says when my x is negative 8, this gonna be plus 8, negative 8 gonna give me 0. So the option C is what we're looking forward to see. All right. The question number 13. All right. Take a second to solve this problem. If 8 by x by 8 equals to 5, then 8 by x must be 1 by 5. It's just a matter of reciprocal. You can able to do that in mathematics. That is so simple. If 8 by x equals to 5, then 8 by x equals to 1 by 5. Just a reciprocal. So 1 by 5 is what we're looking forward to see here. And the 14th one, the solution, okay? The solution to this given system of equation is x bar and 5. What is the value of y? Okay. So one thing you can able to do is here, you can able to use the Desmos and type the two equations and see where the two lines are intersecting. Or you can able to simply find out the y value by figuring out 24x plus y equals to 48 and 6x plus y equals to 72. Since y is already given, just subtract the y and you're going to get 24 minus 6 is 18. X equals to 42 minus 70, 48 minus 78. That's going to be 72, right? Okay. Minus 24. So it's going to be 24 divided by 18, which is this is nothing but 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Substitute any one of it. 6 multiplied with minus 4 by 3 plus 5. I'm taking the second expression, sorry, equation. It's going to be 72. So let me write down 6 multiplied with minus 4 is 24. 24 divided by 3 plus 5 equals to 72. And 24 by 8, sorry, 3 is 8. um that's gonna go to the right hand side, gonna give you 72 plus 8, which is equals to 80. Okay, you got this. So 80 is the value of y. Fifth question. 15th. Okay, line t in the xy plane has a slope of negative 1 by 3 and passes through the points which is given by 9 comma 10. Which equation defines the line t? Okay, y equals to mx plus c is the line, and we got x and y as 10 equals to negative 3, 1 by 3 times 9 plus c, therefore 10 equals to This is negative 3 plus c, and the c gonna be negative 3 and 10 gonna be 13. So 13 is what we are c is the constant. So the equation is quite simple. Where you see this plus 13 in this entire options in the value in the place of c, option D. So that's what your answer is. Just make sure to remember the slope formula. It's a line slope. And yep, question number 17. Oh no, the question number 16 is there. Okay, it's an exponential function. Okay, the function represents a multiple with an exponential model. Okay, models the value in dollars of certain bank account by the end of each year from. Okay, so there is a gap like 1957 through 1972. Okay, where x is the number of years after one. Okay, 1957. Okay, which of the following is the best interpretation of f of 5 is approximately equals to 2, 4, 3. All right, in this context. So, when x is equals to 5, then f of x, which is f of 5, equals to 206 multiplied with 1.3034 power 5. So 1.03 power 5 is gonna be something like, let's do that, 1.05, 1.034 power 5 is 1.18 something. That's multiplied with 206 is 143 something. Sorry, 243 something like this. So this is what this given function is saying right now. And remember, 5 represents the time interval here. Okay, the question is which of the following represents f of 5 is approximately equals to. Okay, so we get to realize that 5 represents number of years. After this number of years, this is the amount of dollars that we can able to see in the bank account. So in this given options, the value of the bank account is estimated to be approximately $5 greater than 1962 than in 1957. So 5 years after, that means 1957 to 1962. There's where you can able to see 5 years of gap. After 5 years of gap, you can able to see 206 to $243. That's approximately that's approximately 30 $37 of increment has happened. Therefore, okay. The value of the bank account estimated to be no. The first option is not the correct answer. The B. The value of the bank account is estimated to be approximately $43 in 1962. Yes, this is correct. So we can able to see that mean after 5 years we are witnessing 243. Therefore, option B is considerable. Option C, the value in dollars of the bank account is estimated to be 5 times greater than. No, it's not. 243 is not 5 times greater than 206. No. D, the value of the bank account is estimated to be increased by every 5 years between. All right. We can't able to take the D because the value of the bank account is not going to be approximately increased $243 every year. It increased just amount of $37, and that one, the D is not resonating the correct one. So it's just a matter of what is the purpose this given function is created. The given function is created to estimate the number of dollars that has been increased over the years. So f of 5 clearly represents the amount of increment in dollars happened after 5 years. That's nothing but the option B. So after 5 years means 1962. At 1962, we can able to see $243 in the bank account. All right. So it sounds okay too much when explaining, but whenever you're doing the math in SAT, should not take more than 1.5 minutes. Because it's a word problem, you just need to realize why this function is created and how this function is working and what this question is asking for me. If you're clear with these three things, you can able to remove the junk and choose the right one. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can help your fellow learner to find the video at perfect time.